How to copy Instagram comments. This tutorial shows you how to extract text from Instagram comments using Google Lens on your Android device. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, find the post with the comment you want to copy. Tap on View All Comments or the comment icon to open all comments. Now, locate the specific comment you want to copy. Take a screenshot by pressing Volume Down and Power button together. Your screenshot will be saved to your gallery. Moving forward, swipe up from the bottom to see recent apps. Look for the Google Lens icon on the screenshot thumbnail. Tap on it to open the screenshot in Google Lens. Alternatively, open your Gallery or Photos app and select the screenshot. Tap the Google Lens icon at the bottom of the screen. Afterwards, Google Lens will automatically detect all text in the image. The comment text will be highlighted. Tap on the comment text to select it. You can drag the selection handles to adjust what you want to copy. Once selected, tap Copy at the bottom. The comment text is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere, like Notes, Messages, or another app. Long press and tap Paste to insert the copied text. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you copy Instagram comments, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.